counterless, waiterless restaurants using rest robots. There are 3 members in our group. My name is Priyanka Sudhakar Barge.
My name is Barkha Altaf Pelwan.
And my name is Aishwarya Milinda Ashtekar.
And our mentor name is Rajesh Dontham sir, and we are from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sakhrani. Now I am going to describe our idea. In metropolitan cities, there are many problems occurred, such as too hard to get good, good, honest labors, and customers will be hurry in many occasions. We are proposing one idea in which we in which we design and rest robots, which will reduce the manpower required for the hotels, which reduces the time spending at the ordering, and therefore owners only concentrate on the quality of the foods instead of the labor issues or bill payment.
In our prototype, we have used that Firebird as a robot, in which there is a microcontroller Atmega 2560 we have used, and we have dumped one line follower code into that, and we have used ZB broadcasting for broadcasting the message, so that when that robot will get to know that where it has to go, then it will reach to that particular destination, and after reaching to that destination, all the work of that robot will be finished, and all the part will be transferred to that app. In that app, we have provided various facilities like taking order, then checking the status for order tracking. Then there is one part which is only for the chef, that he can change the status of a prepared or not prepared orders. Then he can also find today's total income, then all the bills from which tables according to time, date, as well. We have used Apache Tomcat and MySQL database for making a connectivity between the app and that MySQL database. For that, we have used IP address of that machine on which that server is running, and all the instruments, means that tab, mobile, and our laptop is in the same network, so that IP address and port number we have used, and then there is a database connectivity is done. When customer is going to take any order, then all the data will be transferred into the database, and when customer have to check for a status update, then he can fetch all the information which is stored in that database. So due to that, all the work will be get very simple, and it is very efficient, because time required for all these things is very less. So we have used buttons, check boxes, text views, edit boxes, and and web views in our app. We have used PHP and HTML for making the connectivity between the app and that database.
We are going to see the actual implementation of our project. For implementing our project, we have used the Firebird robot and the serial terminal software. We have used the 2 Zigbees for communicating between robot and the software. Here COM23 port number is used to connect, and by pressing the connect button, now the connection is done, and both Zigbees are connected. When customer will arrive, she is at table number 1, therefore she will press the button 1, and robot will start to move towards the table number 1. Once the robot will at table number 1, it will stop, and the customer is now able to place the order using the Android app. Now order is placed and in kitchen now chef can see the order coming from the customer. Order is visible in the kitchen. Now chef is started to prepare the order, and she will change the status to yes. And after delivering the order, she will change the status yes. Now order is get delivered, and this status will be available at the customer side. Customer can see the status of the order. Now order is served, and customer will press the button. Today's income can be available at app. Owner can easily see the income of the day, and also owner is able to see the bill with table number and the time. Now order is placed, and customer will press the button 1, and robot will move to the original position. When we are implementing the project, we have faced the problem. In our proposal, we have mentioned that we will use the Bluetooth connectivity for communicating between customer and the robot. But as we all know, the range of the Bluetooth is limited to some area. Therefore, we have decided to use the Zigbee broadcasting for communicating between customer and the robot. And also we have mentioned in our proposal that we will connect the Android app and the card swapper, also the Android app and the printer to generate the bill and accept the cash by use customer. It is being quite difficult, therefore we have left that part, and we will implement that in future.
Completion status. We are completing the wireless communication of the machine with the Firebird with the machine, and we are completed the 80% of the project. We are completing one Android app which is used by the customer and the chef. Customer it is used by, the customer will take the order by using the app, and this order gets shown to the chef in kitchen. And implementation cost, we are using Firebird which has cost 23,000, and we are using two Zigbees which has cost 1,000 each.
But all these are from e-Yantra lab of our college. So there is one question I think you have asked, that why our project have to select for the finals. So according to me, our project should be select for finals because I think it is a one-time investment of money, because we have to invest only for tab, then robot and application, so that any person can handle his own hotel by individual. So there is no any requirement of labor, so honesty and labor, these points will not be considered over here. And if you see that generally child labor is most seen in the hotels, so if our idea will be used in the hotels, then it will help to stop that child labor. Then overall our idea will save the time, valuable time of customer. So thank you.